President Obama is pushing his new plan to help U.S. companies insource, bring more jobs home. In his weekly address, the president urged Congress and businesses to get on board. And to help make his point, Mr. Obama showed off some items made in the USA. CBS News correspondent Elaine Quijano tells us how one U.S. company is insourcing.
My name's Tiffany. How may I assist you today?
After 7 months of pounding the pavement, customer service agent Tiffany Edmonds is happy to be working steps away from her newborn son.
I don't have to put him in daycare. I don't have to fight traffic. Gas is very expensive.
Our job is to educate the customer on the first contact.
Janet Hess, a customer service instructor, came out of retirement when her husband became ill.
I did not want to compete with a 25-year-old for a corporate position again.
Both women are part of a trend to bring call center jobs back to the U.S. from overseas, a move that's actually better for business.
If you're calling because you need to get your snowblower repaired, speaking with somebody in India who likely doesn't even know what snow or a snowblower is will be a very difficult conversation. I think really
Angela Selden is co-chairman of Arise Virtual Solutions, a Florida-based company that's bringing 11,000 call center jobs back home to service Fortune 500 companies like Walgreens, AAA, and Carnival Cruises. Arise calculates that to solve a customer issue, overseas operators require 2.3 calls for every 1 call answered in the U.S.
If you have to do 2 or 3 calls to get that single question answered, in the end, it's about the same or even slightly more expensive to have it done offshore.
They're part of a hopeful trend. They are bringing jobs back to America.
Selden was invited to the White House this week, where President Obama made a pitch to bring manufacturing jobs back home. But this repatriated job comes with a catch. Edmonds gets no benefits or overtime. In return, she can set her own hours and work for the companies she chooses.
Altogether, it's working great for me.
Edmonds makes $10 an hour now, but there is room for advancement to trainer, supervisor, or sales. Maurice.
Elaine Quijano, thanks so much.